for one fall. Seasoned veteran, very seasoned veteran. Rocky Reynolds is too.
Rocky Reynolds forced back into the corner. I think he might have just realized what he's up against.
Don't tell me you didn't see it, you saw it.
Did you see it, really? I kind of figured you saw it.
What is it in my head? That's hair. Hair to pick a fence in your mind. Is it that hard to see? It's hair, you idiot.
I'm not sure.
Axe needs to just rest.
Puberty. Shut your mouth and sit down. I don't have a problem hitting a kid. You know I don't have a problem hitting girls either. Yeah, you're right.
I believe Rocky's just putting it out there. These people don't behave themselves. They're going to take it.
Everybody, stay off the caffeine.
A little dietary advice there by Axe telling Reynolds to stay off the caffeine. Back into another one.
That's twice I've seen it. I've seen it twice.
Get your 50 a fair back, the whole God.
What is demolition style? This guy says demolition style. How can he do it demolition style? There ain't two of them.
Well, you ever seen a building demolition? I imagine it's a little bit like that.
Yes, I have, and I've seen Axe wrestle many times with Smash. I have. You can't wrestle with two when you're on one.
Well, good. The mat still's there, definitely. You are correct in this being just Axe here. We've got Axe Max from Demolition, and he's wrenching that arm. Rocky Reynolds in a lot of pain right now.
Yes, he looks like that really hurts. And I don't know about you, but I'm honored to call a match with Max in it.
Oh, definitely.
And Luscious Rocky Reynolds.
Anytime you get a legend such as Max in a match, it is always an honor to call.
It is an honor. It is an honor. The only thing that I'm going to take away that I don't like about this match is you're calling it with me. That's it.
Well, I kind of, a blind squirrel, I see that one coming.
See how they're he's cheating in front of all these children. Oh, see, he knows that. He asked that question.
You know, these children might be behind him after the comments that Rocky Reynolds has made to him.
Yeah, but how these kids
That's a terrible thing to say about kids.
I just speak the truth. That's all. I speak the truth.
You are a slave and servant to the truth, huh?
I'm tired of your attitude. I'll be glad when this is all over and done with, and I don't have to put up with you for a while.
Well, as long as you'd leave, I'd be happy with this going on all night, because this is 605 championship wrestling.
It is good. It is great wrestling, but they just need to choose a little bit better commentators when they choose you.
Well, I heard that Jim Ross and Jerry the King Lawler both were not able to book this, but
So they just use you instead. They just use you instead.
That's right. They chose you and I.
Well, I'm well worth the money, and you're a complete waste. Look at this. Look at Luscious Rocky Reynolds putting it to a better.
He's stomping away the axe there. Now he's breaking his arm.
Yeah, he has a fight.
I'm not so fun.
See, I agree. He has to fight.
Come on!
See, I agree. He is not breaking the rules. He never breaks the rules.
Hey, 1, 2, 3. Hey, come on, hey.
Now he's rocking his face along the ropes. You doing that also?
He's got face paint on there. Won't do nothing.
Oh, okay. Now, do you feel that Luscious Rocky Reynolds is breaking the rules or just rewriting them?
No, he's doing is what you did. You just bend. Remember. What happened there? I didn't see what happened. I didn't see what happened there. Did you?
Well, it was a gigantic boot and then a gigantic clothesline.
If I was Brandon, I wouldn't run my mouth too much because he'll end up taking the same thing that Doug took.
It'd be a shame to beat out both referees.
Yeah, we might have to have you do it, and then we'd just be in terrible shape.